The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Truck is a bold statement of American engineering, luxury, and long-haul adventure wrapped into a single commanding package. With its unmistakable long nose, chrome grille, and classic stance, the W900 has always symbolized freedom on the open road. But for 2025, this iconic semi-truck takes a remarkable leap forward, transforming into a fully equipped motorhome that merges commercial-grade muscle with residential-grade comfort. At first glance, the truck maintains its traditional design heritage, a massive front hood, prominent exhaust stacks, and polished stainless trim, but behind the cab, everything changes. Instead of a standard sleeper, the 2025 W900 motorhome is outfitted with a custom-built coach body that includes all the amenities one would expect in a luxury RV. Beneath the hood lies Kenworth's latest power plant, a PACCAR MX-13 engine, producing up to 510 horsepower and over 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides the strength necessary to move not only the heavy-duty truck but also the massive motorhome living quarters attached to it. It's matched with a 12-speed automated Eaton UltraShift transmission that offers effortless shifting and improved fuel economy, even under load. The W900's chassis is reinforced to handle the additional weight of the coach and features air ride suspension for a smooth, balanced ride whether cruising across the Midwest or climbing mountain passes. The truck's tandem axle design, heavy-duty brakes, and advanced traction control systems ensure safety and stability across varying road conditions. Step inside the living quarters and it becomes immediately clear this is not a typical RV. The W900 motorhome's interior is designed with premium materials, custom cabinetry, leather seating, hardwood floors, and residential-quality appliances. The living area includes a full-size couch, a convertible dining table, and multiple flat-screen TVs mounted on the walls. The kitchen is equipped with solid-surface countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, a dual-burner induction stove, a convection microwave oven, and a full residential-style refrigerator with freezer. There's generous pantry storage, with soft close drawers and overhead compartments designed to maximize every inch of space. The bathroom area features a spacious shower with a glass door, a porcelain toilet, and a vanity with LED lighting and ample counter space. Ventilation is handled by a rooftop fan system and an integrated climate control module that maintains perfect temperatures in both the truck cab and the living area. The master sleeping quarters at the rear are nothing short of luxurious. A queen or optional king-size bed rests atop a raised platform, surrounded by wardrobes, nightstands, and reading lights. Slide-out sections on either side of the living area and bedroom dramatically expand the available floor space at the push of a button. Some configurations even offer a bunk bed system or a separate room for additional sleeping accommodations, perfect for families or group travel. Technology is another highlight of the 2025 Kenworth W900 motorhome. It includes a fully integrated smart control system accessible via touchscreen or smartphone app, allowing users to manage lighting, heating, cooling, water tanks, slide-outs, and entertainment from anywhere inside or outside the vehicle. Solar panels on the roof feed into a lithium-ion battery system, which powers the coach when off-grid. A diesel generator provides backup power for high-demand situations, and a 150-gallon freshwater tank combined with a full filtration system ensures comfort during extended stays in remote locations. Up front in the driver's cockpit, Kenworth's signature attention to detail remains evident. The W900 dashboard includes classic analog gauges with modern digital interfaces, all housed in real wood or brushed aluminum accents. A leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, integrated GPS navigation, and full Bluetooth connectivity complete the driver's comfort zone. Acoustic insulation keeps road noise to a minimum, while visibility remains excellent thanks to the large panoramic windshield and power-adjustable side mirrors. Safety features include collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and a multi-camera system that assists in both driving and parking the sizable vehicle. Customization is at the heart of the 2025 W900 motorhome truck. Buyers can choose from a wide array of floor plans, finishes, and add-ons. Options include outdoor entertainment systems, roof-mounted satellite dishes, integrated awnings with LED lighting, outdoor kitchens, and even garage space for ATVs or motorcycles in the rear of the coach. Some models are built with double slide-outs that extend both sides of the rig, while others feature toy hauler configurations with fold-down rear ramps. Despite its size and power, the W900 motorhome is engineered for surprising fuel efficiency. The MX-13 engine's latest refinements, including variable geometry turbocharging and high-pressure fuel injection, allow it to meet strict 2025 EPA emissions standards without compromising performance. Advanced aerodynamics built into the cab, roof fairings, and side skirts reduce drag and improve highway mileage. With a fuel tank capacity exceeding 300 gallons in some configurations, the W900 can travel extraordinary distances without needing to stop, making it ideal for long-haul travelers, remote explorers, and cross-country adventurers. The versatility of this motorhome truck is unmatched. It appeals not only to individual nomads and retirees but also to professionals who need mobile offices, musicians on tour, motorsport teams requiring mobile pit setups, and off-grid survivalists who value durability and self-sufficiency. The W900 motorhome truck can be adapted to practically any purpose, whether you're hosting a mobile podcast studio, hauling vintage cars in an enclosed trailer, or just exploring North America's national parks in style. Kenworth has also prioritized ease of maintenance with this model. The cab tilts forward for full engine access, and most service points are clearly marked and easily reachable. Remote diagnostic systems alert owners to upcoming maintenance needs or mechanical issues, which can often be addressed through nationwide Kenworth service centers. Parts availability remains excellent thanks to the W900's ongoing popularity in commercial transport fleets. In a market increasingly saturated with cookie-cutter RVs, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome stands apart as a bold, authentic, and thoroughly capable alternative. It blends the ruggedness of a true Class 8 truck with the creature comforts of a luxury home on wheels. It demands attention, delivers performance, and offers a travel experience that's as much about the journey as it is the destination. Whether parked at a high-end RV resort, boondocking in the wilderness, or rumbling down the interstate, this machine makes a lasting impression on everyone it passes. The W900 Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle, an identity, and a testament to the enduring allure of the open road. For those who seek unmatched power, limitless customization, and supreme comfort in a single platform, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's the ultimate adventure companion.